So what you're doing now is Amazon dropshipping. So for people that don't know, let's compare the difference between Amazon dropshipping and Amazon private labeling, which I do, or FBA, fulfilled by Amazon, whatever you want to call it. People think that I do like Amazon. Oh, you're dropshipping on Amazon? So the way I think about dropshipping is you don't own the product that you're selling. The customer just pays you, and then you buy the product from somewhere else and ship it directly to the customer.
That's it.
So that's how I look at dropshipping. So what I do and what I've been doing for these past 4 years is private labeling. That's when you buy in bulk from the manufacturer, mainly Alibaba.com, and you brand it. You put your own logo on it, your own box, own packaging, so you own that product, and then we send that all to Amazon's FBA, or fulfillment by Amazon warehouses, and then Amazon automatically delivers those to customers every day, automatically when they search for it on Amazon and buy it. So it's very hands-off. I don't fulfill any orders, I don't deal with returns, anything like that. So that's the kind of FBA method. Your product is listed for Amazon Prime on Amazon.com, so it's like 1 to 2 day shipping. Anyway, that's the private label FBA method. And the drop shipping method is when you are listing products on Amazon that you don't own.
No.
So you can just have a Seller Central account and you can just go in there and list any product. So I could like list this printing machine. So all you had to do is
you gotta find the supplier who sell there.
You used to find the supplier, and then you go to the Seller Central account and you click add product and you type in the UPC code for this, the product code or something.
Yeah.
So you type in like the universal product code for it, and then you have so you're like reselling it essentially.
That's it, yeah.
And then
you're a retailer.
You're a retailer of it.
Yeah.
And then you can list it at any price.
It's like a price competition, like with others who sell the same product. So you can win also the buy box. So you got a chance to sell it like time to time, like after, like
Yeah.
But
so you don't have your own listing. It's a shared listing. There's one listing, so there'd be like one listing for this copy machine.
That's right, yeah.
And you're a retailer of it. So if you on Amazon, it will say like available from these 9 sellers. If you click on that, it'll have like 9 different merchants selling the same thing.
Yes.
And you'll see they're all very close in price. So the game that you're playing is you try to be the lowest price of them all by like 1 cent.
That's it, yeah.
So when you are the lowest and they just click add to cart order, it will automatically come from you because you're the lowest price.
Yeah.
And that's known as like the buy box.
Yeah.
That's known as the buy box. So that's kind of that game. So we were just up there, you're fulfilling orders. So you have to fulfill like 40 different orders in like 1 day.
I know. Yeah.
And you're doing this very manually.
I do everything manually right now. I'm just starting, so my mentor and friend, like, he want me to do it manually to learn the business like really good, and then when it's gonna become like more time consuming that I consume right now, then we're gonna hire a VA, so I'm gonna have some help to place orders and doing tracking numbers and doing the product research and product checks and customer service and all that. So but now I'm doing everything by myself, just to the learning curve, like learning as much as possible the business, and then I'll be able to outsource.
Yeah, it's lots of like copy paste type work. It's perfect for outsourcing to a VA. But like they say, do everything first yourself, so you know it completely,
for sure.
And then you can train a VA or get a VA who already knows how to do this type of thing. Because you are showing me that you were going through all your products, and like every day you have to lower the price of them by like a couple cents, because like it's like a price race.
Like the competition, like price race,
So very lots of intensive work. And then so the method is like, so you have like what, 150 products now or something?
So far, yeah.
And you can make like, let's just say $1,000 a month.
Yeah, I'm already like this month I made like close to 2K profit. Like I'm pretty impressed about it. Like with only 150 products, 2K profit for sure. I'm putting the work every day. I'm putting the time like every day. Lots of work, but so I think that I think that business, you work a lot up front, and then you can like
Then you outsource it.
outsource it.
So are you continually adding new products every day?
Every other days, yeah, for sure. Yeah.
So is the goal to get like just like scale it, get like 1,000 products and like make, you know, make your income go
always
10x?
like always, yeah, for sure that could be it. But we always like put product and then see if they sell, and if they don't sell, we remove them and put more and put new and
Gotcha.
so.
Gotcha. So you just keep the ones that are like making $10 a day or something
That's
like
the
that?
thing,
Okay.
So at the end, like what would be the best is to have 200 products that sell like almost every day, right?
Mm-hmm.
And the one that we had and they don't sell, we just remove them and add more, and just like, and then oh shit, this one sell a lot, okay, every day, okay, it's constant, okay, we'll let it there, and then like build up like that, right?
Mm-hmm. So you're buying all your products. So another question is like, how do you find what to list on Amazon? So right now you're getting them all from one certain other website.
Only one was it.
One certain
One
other
supplier,
website.
yeah.
Only one supplier. And so basically you're taking the products from the other supplier, listing them as a reseller on Amazon.com, and from the other supplier, you're getting it for cheaper, basically.
Yeah,
You're getting it for cheaper. And like, what's a good margin?
like between 15 and 20, it's a good margin. I
So
think.
if you can get it basically 15 to 20% cheaper on this other website,
Yeah.
or directly from the supplier, then you just take that margin.
Yeah, that's
and,
great,
and that's
yeah.
all you. That's
Yeah.
all the profit margin.
Yeah, for sure.
And then, so how do you decide what products to list from this manufacturer if they have like tons of products?
Well,
Throw shit
first
up
of
there?
all, you do the product research on Amazon, so you look like others, like sellers, like other dropshipper.
Mm-hmm.
That with eBay dropshipping, you was able to see like how many of that product sold in the last month, right? But now with Amazon, you cannot see that, but we're going with the rank, best ranks.
What about use like
bestseller
Jungle
rank?
Scout or Spiral Launch or something?
No,
It's not too accurate.
no, it's not accurate. No. But you cannot see the sell on how much they sold.
Jungle Scout, you get the
Maybe.
Chrome extension, and it shows like estimated sales. Like
Yeah.
I'm not quite sure if that's just based on BSR or whatever.
For that moment, anyways, I'll go with the bestseller rank to see.
Oh,
Like,
and you can also do the inventory trick. So you go to, and this may be what Jungle Scout / Spiral Launch uses.
okay.
Yeah, you go to order the product and you type that you want 999 of them, and then it will
Oh, yeah,
it will
yeah,
say
yeah.
nope, they only have 386.
Yeah.
Then you know they have 386 in stock. Check back the next day, do the same thing,
Yes.
380. Then you know they sold 6
Yeah.
that day.
That's right. Yeah.
Yeah, the stock
That's a
stock
little
trick.
trick. It's true.
Yeah, and I think those softwares may actually do that. I'm not sure. But anyway, okay.
So yeah, so the product research is going
Yeah.
like that. I'm going like this, the bestseller rank, like between like 10 to like 100,000 seller rank, the rank. Then obviously the product that's sold, good. So then after I'm looking for the supplier who supplied that product, and then I just like found the listing on Amazon and just add it.
Yeah, add
to
yourself
my,
as a
to my
seller.
story. Yeah.
And
there you
so,
go.
so every day you have to fulfill these orders so that like it comes in, the shipping is quick.
Shipping
like, you
is
have to
pretty
do it,
quick.
like-
It's from US, so it's pretty quick. Yeah.
Okay, cool.
Some people doing AliExpress and all that, but there's a lot of like
Yeah,
shipping.
AliExpress
like,
takes like
late shipments
a
and-
month,
Yeah,
like
so-
to get. Okay, so people might be wondering, so why would you do this over private labeling? What I'm doing.
Private labeling, I got that in the back of my head, but for the moment I'm doing that because it don't take any cash up front to start like Amazon dropshipping. Really, you just need to like start with the product research and add product to your store on Amazon, and that's it, right? So I didn't spend any money really, like except for my you gotta pay for your pro selling account on Amazon, and
Yeah.
it's the $29 per
Yeah.
month. So other than that, I didn't pay for nothing. So
Yeah.
So that's why I
so the
started
zero
with-
startup cost.
Yeah.
Yeah, for sure. Because with private labeling, you know, it's typically out there like you gotta buy in bulk for like a couple grand. But I do say you can start with a test order of like $500, $500 to like $2,000, depending on how much the product costs, and throw that on Amazon and see if it sticks. But if it doesn't stick, doesn't catch traction, then you lose that investment, and then you got to try a second product, a third product, and a fourth product. And it's typical for like maybe 1 in 3 or 4 products to like really catch traction on Amazon and really make that full-time, multiple $1,000s a month passive income. So that's why it's the startup cost. So how long did it take you how many months to get from 0 to like 1K a month that you're making now?
Like my first month, I made like 600 profit.
First month?
Yeah, first month, 600 profit.
And how many products did you have
I
at that time?
I had like 100, 120, 130.
Okay.
But I'm always adding and remove some, adding some, remove some. So, but at that time, yeah, I had like 130, 140 product, and I made like 600 profit. That was back in February, and then March I went travel, so I lack at it a little bit, like I put it to work.
Okay.
Then I came back. I was in Koh Samui. Then I came back in April in Chiang Mai, and then I put some work back into it. And now it's the end of the month, and I'm already almost at 2K profit. So, and I still have like 174 product right now. So,
fuck yeah. Fuck yeah. Fuck yeah. So, like, is your mentor / coach? Are they making like how much are they making? Like, are they really scaling it?
Kind of, yeah.
Are they like closer to like 5K, 10K?
Yeah, 5K. Yeah.
And they have a VA running it?
Yeah.
So that's the goal, is like, you can basically, everything you're doing, you can have a VA doing.
For sure, yeah.
Everything.
Yeah.
And you can just be the owner of the business.
That's it, yeah.
Okay.
For sure, you gotta go check it out like once in a while. Like
oversee it for sure.
Yeah, oversee it, yeah. But I'll get there, but I'll have to work more on it. But when I'll get to, like now I'm averaging maybe like 30 sales a day, but when you get to a point that you have like 50, 75, 100 sales a day, and it's take a lot of time to place that by yourself. Right?
Yeah, it won't even be possible to do it yourself. You have no life.
Fuck that. No. So it's gonna be the time to outsource.
Yeah.
At that time. Yeah.
Well, yeah. Well, even if he is spending 8 to 10 hours a day doing it, at least he's in Thailand right here. We got palm trees. At least he's not in the freezing tundra.
Yeah.
You know? It's like,
I'm so happy just for that.
It's like, would you rather work 4 hours a day in the freezing tundra or 10 hours a day in tropical Chiang Mai, and you can work on your own schedule, morning, nighttime, overnight.
That's it, yeah.
That's it.
Yeah, I was in Chiang Mai in February. March we went to Koh Samui. Now I'm in Chiang Mai in April. I'm gonna stay here in May. In June I'm planning to go in Koh Samui again, so I can travel around and do that business, and I'm happy about that. And pretty happy. Yeah.
Laptop lifestyle, baby.
That's it.
Yes. So this is like kind of like your first year.
Yeah.
I'm the veteran, 4 years laptop lifestyle.
Yeah.
So yeah, man, glad that you found my video and you're out here and you're doing it, man.
Yeah,
super stoked. And he's also a very creative guy. So we've been talking about some creative projects that he has coming. So you can follow him on Instagram. Link below at angles _
Yeah.
angles _
Yeah.
Anyways, Eric Angles, search on Instagram. Link will be below. And then what about the Creative Plaid? Are you still building that page? Or?
Yeah, I'm still building that page, but yeah.
Also the Creative Plaid. He's a plaid enthusiast. As you can see, the plaid backpack. And yeah, man, creative guy. He's out here. He's chasing the dream, doing the Chiang Mai career plan. And hashtag Chiang Mai hustlers, hashtag online hustle. Made it. I'm gonna go get some pad thai. Who knows? Take a walk, do some meditation, get a massage for $10. Who knows? Gotta love it. Peace. Yo, thanks for watching that video till the end. If you liked it, I guarantee you're gonna like the hundreds of other videos that I have on this channel. So right now, I would like to ask you to click that big ass subscribe button right now. It's totally free. It's just like following me on Instagram. It's just gonna make it a little bit more likely that YouTube suggests my videos to you down the road. And if you get bored of my face in the future, you can always just stop clicking on my videos and they will stop showing up as often. So thanks for helping me get to 100K. I'm gonna get back to work and I'll see you on the next video.